Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bergville, Minnesota, a small community surrounded by lakes, forests, and farmland. This quiet place began to take shape in the early 1900s when logging and farming attracted families to settle in the area. Life here has always been simple, centered around hard work, family, and the outdoors. The peaceful countryside makes it a great spot for hunting, fishing, and enjoying nature. Whether you're passing through or taking time to enjoy the scenery, Bergville offers a glimpse into the heart of rural Minnesota. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Bergville, Minnesota.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!